Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to clean and withdraw your Hamster token into your Bybit account, and how to link your Bybit exchange account to your Hamster Kombat mining bot so you can receive your token during the airdrop. So we are in Telegram, so we are going to go over to the airdrop side. This will show up and you have to go over to withdraw, and they have many exchange, which is Binance Exchange, OKS Exchange, Bybit Exchange, wallet in Telegram, and many more. So in this video we are going over to Bybit Exchange. So this showed up, so they're asking, do you have an Bybit account? So if you don't, you have to download the app and create your account, let it be verified. So what I have to do, just yes I have, let me click it, and this came up, and this is what is required for your Bybit Exchange. So you must have this, which is Bybit UNID and Hamster deposit address and memo. So for we to get that, we have to go to our Bybit app. So this is how we're going to get everything for the exchange, the Bybit exchange Hamster Kombat. So we are the home side and we are in exchange. So we are going to go over to the deposits, buy with flat fee to pay. So you click it and this will come up, and we're going over to deposit crypto. Let's press deposit crypto, and this will show up. So guys, this is the place we're going to look for the crypto, which deposit address we are going to copy. So in this place they have many address, crypto address. So we are going to look for, we're going to type the Hamster, which is HMSTR. HMSTR is the short way for it. So they said choose a chain type. Make sure the chain type you make deposit to is the one you make withdraw from. So we are going to click this Hamster tone here. Let's click it, this HMSTR dash tone. So tone is needed for this to work out. Hamster tone is needed, and here is the notice. It said to ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you have both the number one, the HMSTR deposit address, and number two, the HMSTR deposit memo tag when making a deposit. Fail to do so may result in loss of funds. So this is what the Hamster Kombat have been asking for. So you press OK. So as you can see guys, this is your address, your wallet address. You just have to copy it, the address. So this is what is needed. So at the upper side you're going to see the HMSTR deposit address, and the downside is the memo tag. All you have to do is just to copy it, and let's go over to our Hamster Kombat on Telegram, and we're going to over to airdrop and withdraw. So we're going to click Bybit, and this is showing. So we're going to copy, first of all we're going to copy this, going to copy one of them. Let's copy one of them, copied, and it's showing successful at the upside. So the one I did is the memo, so I'm going to paste it there. Let me paste it, and I'm going to go over to copy the deposit address. So let's copy it, which is going to show successful at the upper side there. So let's go over to paste it at the HMSTR address there. Okay, so the one remaining is our UID. So for we to get the UID, it's very simple. So let's go back to our home page in Bybit. Going to our home page, which is the profile side. Let's go back. So at the left side you're going to see an like profile icon, so you're going to click it and this will show up, and at that side you see your number. Look at it, UID there. So you're going to copy it. Let's copy it there, copy it, and you go over to your Hamster Kombat and leave and paste it there. You copy it and you drop it there, and as you can see guys, we have our tree. We just got what is required for we to, to be qualified for the airdrop, and we're just going to, we are done with it. It's simple, as you can see, it's simple. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we're done with it. So these are everything. I'm going to read it. So we'll go over to save it, and we are done. Let's register it and say you're going to click save and choose. Let's click it, save and choose. Yes, and it's done. It say well done. Stay tuned with updates. Thanks. So guys, thanks for watching this video with me. Let's go back there. See, at the Bybit exchange side is showing good, which is I've done it, and it's very simple for you to do. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.